Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting prerequisites, reach the indicated level, and have an available skill point. Once done, open the skill tree and navigate to the combat or movement branch where Swift sits. Purchase the Swift talent, then make sure to equip it in your active loadout before leaving the menu. This step is crucial because buying alone won't grant effects. Equipping it activates the modifiers. You'll notice immediate stat changes when equipped, so check your character screen to verify. Now you apply Swift during encounters. Start with lower-tier enemies to learn how the speed bonus changes your attack windows. Once confident, weave Swift into combos. Use a light attack or a dodge immediately after Swift triggers to capitalize on increased velocity. Make sure to watch stamina and cooldowns. Swift can tempt you into overcommitting. If you pace abilities around its window, you'll land more hits and avoid punishments. Practice for a few fights until the timing feels natural. To finish, optimize loadout. Equip gear and perks that enhance movement speed or reduce recovery to fully exploit Swift. If you ever find Swift not activating, first re-equip the talent. Next, save and reload or fast travel to reset the system, because some effects require a UI refresh. Once done, run training duels or repeatable fights to validate your setup. If problems persist, try toggling similar movement modifiers off to isolate conflicts, then reintroduce them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.